So it's about a year ago, I made one of my best upgrade decisions ever, and that's with my Mac Mini M4. Upgraded the SSD, the internal SSD, from a 256 manufactured SSD that came with it to this 2 terabyte SSD that's internal. Now, a lot of things have happened over the last year, over time, but one of the biggest things is people have questioned, whether this would really last and whether you can upgrade with Apple once you change out your SSD in the Mac Mini. And we're going to answer all those questions in this video. Let's go. Okay, so I created a quick screen recording. As you can see here, I'm going to go to the About and show you that this is the Mac Mini M4. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and take a look at the drive space. You can see here with the disk utility that this is a 2 terabyte drive. It came with 256 gigabytes. Now it's got 2 terabytes. So you can see I did the upgrade. And, a lot of people want to know, can you actually upgrade this thing? And does it receive the upgrades? Well, if you check this out, we'll go into system settings and we'll check for the upgrades. Now I got the pop-up that came up in the right corner of the top right corner, and it said that there was an update available. But when you start screen recording, it disappears. You can see here, there is an upgrade available right away. And so all I've got to do is restart my Mac Mini to get the update. Now I want to show you the same thing over here on my Mac Studio, because the Mac Studio has been untouched as far as upgrades or anything. It came with the 512 gigabytes of hard drive. I want to upgrade that, but just can't find a good program or a good service for that with the hard drives or the SSDs. You can replace them. So you can see here, I've got the Mac Studio here, and when we check for the updates, you can see it has the exact same update. And just click software update here. It has the same update ready to go. And you can see right there, all I've got to do is hit restart on this one as well, and then they will both update. Now I took a screenshot on both of them after it's updated, and you can see here on the Mac Studio, it has the updated software as well as the Mac Mini. Looking at the Mac Mini, it's been updated. So you can see they got the same update at the same time, and I shot a little video of them both upgrading at the same time, as you can see here. So there's been no issue whatsoever over the last year of my Mac Mini M4 getting updates from Apple, and they have not bricked my machine because I changed the SSD. Now I'm going to show you a quick here of last year when I did the video on how to exchange the SSD. You can see here I did a video on it and real briefly show you parts of it. It's real simple to exchange that. You just open it up, and if you follow the steps, it's very easy. Anyone could do it. And if you want to check out the link for that video, I'll put it down in the description. So that it gives you a step-by-step on how to do it. Now, check it out. Before I actually did the upgrade with the 256 gigabyte SSD, you see these are the readings for the SSD when I do a speed test. The Mac Mini 256 barely hit 2,000 write and 2,700 read speeds. And then after I exchanged it last year, you can see it improved quite a bit. You can see it did 3,300 write speed and 2,900 read speed. So let's check it out today. Where is it at a year later? So I've got it here in front of me. Let's go ahead and pull up the app that will read the speeds here. And that app is Blackmagic here. You see right here. And let's go ahead and we're going to select the main hard drive here, or SSD, whatever you want to call it. And we'll go ahead and start. And let's see what it's doing. Check this out. A year later, it's actually doing 1,300 faster. So it's actually improved over the last year. And, the read speeds are about the same, but check that out. The write speeds are actually even faster. So Apple's did some updates that are really speeded things up. And that is incredible. We're at 4,712. I mean, that's just really crazy good, guys. So is it degrading over time? Is it a cheap chip? I'd say no. After a year, it is still actually performing well and actually performing better than it was when I installed it. Hey, I want to take a quick second and thank you for watching my video about the Mac Mini upgrade of the SSD. If you got something out of this video, do me a favor, smash that like button down below. It really does help out the channel. And if you want to get more information, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get back to the video. So as you can see, when I say the best upgrade I've ever done for my Mac Mini, this Mac Mini SSD to 2 terabyte, it is incredible. And I love the fact that I still have so much space. And I've got so much space on this thing, I don't have to worry about it like I do on my Mac Studio. I have to constantly worry about the space, although I do have an external SSD, and it's a 5 terabyte with 4. No, I said that wrong. It's the Thunderbolt 5 with 4 terabytes. I about said that backwards. So it's 4 terabytes on a Thunderbolt 5 connection. So it is actually really fast on my Mac Studio. It's actually getting faster speeds than we get here on the Mac Mini, because the Mac Mini is a little bit limited. So there you have it. I hope I answered your questions. Does the SSD, is it really worth it? I say yes. And does Apple brick it or do anything on performance-wise? No, it only improved it. And I've actually never noticed my Mac Mini overheating or a fan kicking on. It's been super quiet. Now I want to hear from you. Have you made that jump? Have you upgraded your SSD in your Mac Mini? Let me know down in the comments. And if you have any questions about what I've done, also leave those in the comments. I answer every single comment in the comment section. So if you have questions, please ask. If you want to see more about the SSD exchange, check out that original video here. Until next time, have a wonderful day and God bless.